It's like a ghost town here. North Rim Visitor Center. Ooh, this is a nice viewpoint. You can see the fire was here too. Oh, it says trail closed. We might not be able to get over there because it's all fenced in. I really don't want to be hiking by myself. Definitely not the smartest thing. I feel like I should be able to see them. I do not have a flashlight on me. Oh my goodness. Windshield clean, North Rim, here we come. We have a 45-mile trek in front of us. That's how long it takes to get to the North Rim. This is all national forest, and there are forest roads all along here that allow camping. We're hoping to see some bison, maybe elk and deer. Oh, there's a cow sign. Oh, we're stopping here. This is where Murray Lake is. Yeah, it's a trailhead. So have y'all ever been to the North Rim?
No, we haven't.
Just the South Rim.
Yeah, just the South Rim. And yeah, it's super exciting so far.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this one allows the dogs.
I think so, yeah. It's just the ones
once
closer.
we enter the park.
I think there's one trail that allows dogs at the park. Hey, lady. Hello. What are you barking at?
Why are you
Parking right here.
We are here. We're not going to do the Murray Lake Trailhead, but we do want to walk down here and see if we can see the edge. Obviously, people horseback ride here because that's where you can tie your horse up at. Gonna be tied up there, Kellogg, huh? Nice view. We saw that coming up this way, though. So the Vermilion Cliffs and all that dry desert. Very windy road. A lot of aspen growing through here. Definitely not as many large trees as the South Rim, but I think they've had several fires over the years. Seems to happen a lot up here. Yeah, this is going to be a huge aspen forest. Now that the pines are gone, the aspens actually have a chance. We just reached the summit. It was 8,840 feet. Now we're climbing back down. Well, there's plenty of pine here. Wow, it is beautiful through here. Oh, look. It's a small pond or a tank. It's empty, though. Got a lot of meadows through here, too. What you think, Kellogg? What you think? Oh, wow, look at this meadow here. Looks like where bison would roam.
Around here they call them parks, okay?
Oh, parks instead of meadow, because they're surrounded by trees. Oh, this one's a pretty big meadow or park. We're about 20 miles from the North Rim, halfway point. Still no bison or elk. I see something up ahead. What is that? There's a sign for it. What's it say? Country store, 1 mile fuel, food supplies. It's like a fort up there. Oh, it's cabins. Probably can't see it. There it goes. It's some kind of retreat. Oh, there's a store right there with RVs. Oh, the sign said De Monte or De Mont. Oh, look, the first sign for buffalo. Yay! Or, sorry, bison. Yeah, this looks like a nice wide open field for them to roam. Well, I see a tractor, that's about it. There's another brown sign coming up. The road to the right is 22. And that says Kaibab Plateau, TH. Oh, it's a scenic trail. That looks like it goes up in the mountains. There's some remnant of the fire last year. Burnt several places through here. Yeah, you can see all the brown trees. Luckily, it didn't affect everything. Lands of many uses, no fires burned ahead or area. Oh, Grand Canyon. Oh, there's the sign. Made it to the gate, but we're not there yet. Still quite a bit to go.
Oh, it's just the entrance station.
Yeah, just the entrance station. And their fees.
Doesn't look like anybody here.
Nobody's here? Okay. Yep, closed. Self-pay station. We have the pass. Just past the sign said rough roads ahead. Doesn't look too bad right now. Oh wow. So it affected this far into the park. It's actually all around. Oh, that looks pretty bad. We've been going downhill for several miles. The scenery here is just breathtaking, considering that they just had a huge fire last year. Oh, someone riding their bike. Oh, that's going to be a struggle going back up the hill. Doesn't seem like the fire reached here, which is good. Kellogg's keeping an eye out for bison. His eyes are so big, like he's surprised to see all this. What do you think, Kellogg, huh? Isn't this amazing? You're just looking for a rabbit or a squirrel. Oh, I see. Squirrel. Slow down. Visitor services and Imperial something is coming up to the left. Canyon views. Oh, that's where the canyon views. Well, guess we're going straight ahead. You can always catch that on the way back. Uh-oh, I see some signs of things. They do have some kind of cabins up here or structures. And this is all closed down right now, though. They were affected by the fire. Mule crossing. Guess they have mules here, too. Let's see. Fire danger tonight, very high. Grand Canyon North Rim. This is the emergency services. There's a campground to the right. Grand Canyon Lodge is straight ahead. Ooh, look at the view on that side. Nice. I like how they have roads you can travel. They don't do that at the South Rim. Oh, there's a picnic area. We were talking about having a picnic tomorrow. That's right on the rim. That'd be amazing. It is more of a drive, though. Oh, that's so pretty, y'all. This is the perfect time of day. Yeah, look at all the shadows. Well, they have a lot more here than I thought as far as structures go. It's all closed down right now, though. It's like a ghost town. Oh, nice cabins.
So what is all this?
I'm not sure. So the visitor parking is to the left here. Oh, it's not busy at all. Yeah. Well, it is the Grand Canyon, but never seen this side of it. Ooh, looky. Yeah, it definitely has a different feel to it. Let's zoom in over there.
Yeah, this is a side.
Oh, wow.
Well, it's a big side canyon, but I think the big canyon's over there.
You can see the fire was here too. So breathtaking. We're taking a walk down to the far side over here. Ooh, this is a nice viewpoint. Wow, look at that. Oh, it says trail closed. We might not be able to get over there because it's all fenced in. That looks like a nice welcome center over there. North Rim Visitor Center. And that was affected by the fire. And that's unfortunate. So where we live on the South Rim is way over there. But you can't get over there. We're gonna go check out the other canyon views, but I just wanted to check out the signs, North Rim. Here's some information if you want to pause and read. Here's the map of it. Oh, the general store, the North Rim campground, bridle path. I think this is the where we're gonna go, by the Kaibab Trail. And parking, this is where we are now. Exploring the North Rim. You are here, and this is all of it. So that's pretty cool. Get a closer view so you can see. So we can go to this area too. You have to go, I think, on this trail. Oh, it is a road. It's called Cape Royal Road, 15 miles. Goes to the, I don't know, Walhalla Overlook? An Angel's Window, Cape Royal. Oh, nice. Look, deer. And people hiking on the North Kaibab Trail. And that's Point Imperial. And there's the Cape Royal Trail, Angel's Window. Oh, I see. It's like a ghost town here. But it's nice, though. Get to kind of experience it without the crowds. We're headed over to the other spot, and I didn't notice it when we first came in, but there is a fuel station here. Wonder how much gas is here. Probably expensive. They have to truck it all the way in here. Oh, right. Canyon views. Narrow, winding road. No lengths over 22 feet. No services ahead. Warning, falling rock and debris ahead. Oh, much better view. Okay, what an amazing view. Oh, wow. It's like 180. You can go way over here, too, and look. Oh, look down there. See if we can zoom in. Huh. So neat. The sun should be setting soon, but it's on the wrong side. It's over there. But we'll still get some beautiful views. Oh, wow. Look, and you can see the top of the canyon. You can't see that over on the south rim. Oh, there's a sign I missed. Grand Canyon Vista highest viewpoint. Yeah, you can see the top. So cool. Way out there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Nice. That's amazing. Oh, look at over here. Much better views over here, I think, in my opinion. I can tell it's a little harder to breathe up here because we're at 8,800 feet elevation. Oh, yeah. Nice.
No handrails. You're not gonna go. Well, just seeing Bruce like walk up to the edge, I'm like, oh.
Is it a drop off?
Yeah. Oh, there's the actual fire.
Oh, yeah. There's the fire where we're camping. Way out there.
And that looks so weird with the flat desert.
Look at the different layers. This was totally worth it.
No, I just didn't want to lose my hat.
Yeah, that's what I almost lost.
Look at that. Let's zoom in down there. It's a long way down. I feel like this view is way better
Yeah, it's nice.
than the south.
It's just different.
It's different, yeah.
It is impressive. I kind of like that it's a little more, less grand. You know,
Yeah.
Pretty damn grand. You can see the stuff on the other side.
So wait, where are we?
I was gonna ask that. Yeah, where's
Where are
the
we
south
at?
rim?
Where's the south rim?
Over
I
there.
think it's on the other
Oh,
side.
oh.
It would have been across from where the line.
Yeah, because we came from over there. So this comes all the way back
This
and
is a side
around.
canyon of the Grand Canyon.
Right, the ones you see like go back from the south rim.
Doesn't there have to be water for it?
Oh, let's just stare at this for a moment. I'll zoom in a little bit.
Water and stuff. There's still water. You can see where it runs. And it all goes eventually down.
Yeah, look at that down there.
Come in. Down near the bottom.
Huh.
There's a lot more water on this side than the other side of the canyon.
So there's two levels to that kind of, what is that called? Mesa, plateau. But you can see in the distance over there.
Well,
Plateau.
The cliffs are in the distance.
Yeah, that's what's in the
That's like a-
distance.
that's like a mesa.
Yeah, mesa.
This is a plateau.
And we're camping to the left where I showed you where the fire was. Oh wow, there's another canyon that goes way back over there.
If I could just get my pilot's license.
Very nice. So right there, it looks like a little spot where somebody lives. It's so flat and looks landscaped. Can't really see it. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera or not.
I'm saying that, see that like kind of teardrop shape looking almost like a little,
Yeah, it looks like somebody's rooftop
see that
patio.
across?
Kind of, yeah.
It looks like a New York
then
City
if you go straight
skyscraper
up,
with a rooftop
Flat on
garden.
the top.
And then there's a little balcony.
It's like a landscaped patio or something.
Right,
but-
Yeah.
It reminds me of Bisbee when we were when we were walking
Like there
through
should be a
those
couple
people's
of,
gardens
like
and
air
it was the top
conditioners
of
or
their
something.
home.
We're going to take the Point Imperial Trail for a little bit. It's 2 miles. Saddle Mountain Trail, 2.2. And what is that one? I don't know what that says. But anyways, that trail is 5.2. Burned area, flash floods, fallen trees, rock and debris. It's a lot going on. Well, we did catch a sunset. It's not over the rim, but it's still beautiful. That's awesome. We get to stare at the sunset as we walk the trail. Not sure where my friends went to. There's a deer. Oh, we're just on the trail. Huh. I don't see my friends. I don't want to go too far. They're probably way ahead of me, but if they didn't even take this trail, I know I saw them get on it, but I really don't want to be hiking by myself. Definitely not the smartest thing. It is beautiful out here. The path seems to curve around this way. We've lost our sun and it's getting darker. And I have no clue where they went to. I'm just gonna go to this corner up here and see if I can see them up ahead. If not, then I'm turning around. Yeah, I don't really see anybody. I feel like I should be able to see him. No. Okay. Let's turn around before it gets too dark. I do not have a flashlight on me. I want to be smart about it. Dogs are not allowed on the trail, so Jeff decided to sit back in the truck with the dogs. I said this might be an adventure where you've seen it once, so no reason to go back, but I definitely think I want to come back here, do some of the trails. I'm glad I turned around. I see my friends right there. They weren't even on that trail. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, our sun is gone and we're headed back. And thankfully I didn't get eaten by a bear. Oh, knock on wood. We're getting ready to leave the park. Unfortunately, it's got dark and we can't see any buffalo. I don't think there's any sign of buffalo anyways. Oh, why is our friend stopping there? I don't know. They're pulling off.
Maybe there's a deer.
Was there buffalo? Buffalo! Oh, and I just said it. Oh, look. It went across the road. Yes. We saw a buffalo. Nice. Yeah, just one lone buffalo. Cool.